Students, now going with the sign conversion in the spherical lenses. Okay, we did the sign conversion in case of spherical mirror, isn't it? Here the same thing is applicable. All right, you see here the focal length of convex lens is positive and that of the concave lens is negative. Okay, here in case of concave mirror, all right, concave spherical mirror, the focal length was negative. Okay, and in case of convex it was positive, isn't it? Here also in case of convex lens also it is positive, and in case of concave lens it is negative. That means there is the similarities between concave and convex out here, but in the most of the cases we see the similarity which is interchange, right? Concave convex, convex concave, right? The one which is in the mirror is not in the lens, and one which is in the lens is not in the mirror. But in case of the focal length only, you just keep that thing in mind. There is a similarity between concave mirror and concave lens, and convex mirror and convex lens. Okay, in case of the focal length, they both have both the convex lenses and convex mirror have positive focal length, and concave lens and concave mirror has negative focal length. Okay, now coming to the formula. Okay, there is slight difference in the formula as compared to that we studied in case of the mirror. Okay, that is, you see, in case of mirror, what was the formula? 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. But here 1 by u minus 1 by v equals to 1 by f. Okay, now one more time I am stating what is v, u and f. V is the image distance, u is the object distance, and f is the focal length. Okay, if for example in this case, okay, what is the object distance? If I ask you, object distance is from O to B. Okay, you have to measure from O to B, that is the object distance. Okay, you see this is object and this is optical center. Okay, the distance between both is the object distance. Now what is the image distance? If I ask you, the you see optical center and you see point B dash, the distance between both is known as the image distance. Okay, and what is the focal length? The distance between O and F2, or distance between O and F1, it is the same thing. Okay, this is the focal length. All right, I hope you got that. Now the formula states that 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, why here we are doing in this way is because there are like two focal length, isn't it? And the image and object is from a two different direction, two different point here always. Okay, now coming to the next part, that is magnification. You see magnification has not changed. We are using the same formula for magnification, that is image height divided by object height. Okay, as dash by h, whereas there is a change, slight change in the another formula of magnification, where we used to write minus v by u, isn't it, for the magnification, but here we are using only v by u. Okay, I hope you got this. In the next video we will be seeing the numerical problems. Okay.